Hello everybody and welcome back to UltraKit. Today I'm going to teach you on how to get the Soul Blade launcher. So what is the Soul Blade launcher? It's basically just the second variant of the nail gun. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So first you want to go to Greed and go to the climax of it. And then you have to go to the blue skull. Right over here. You can either use the whiplash to make it easier or just aim at the water. So now what you want to do is grab the rail gun and shoot at the one. See, this opens. And there you have it, your beautiful Soul Blade. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.